Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A conceptual advance in the luxury recreational vehicle industry. The 2026 Volvo Smart Penthouse RV embodies Sweden's dedication to safety, clever design, and a simple yet incredibly practical look. In addition to being a means of transportation, this imagined motorhome would be an advanced, networked, and eco-friendly home on wheels, embodying Volvo's basic principles. From the outside, the 2026 Volvo Smart Penthouse RV would probably represent the brand's modern design aesthetic, which is distinguished by simple lines, subtle beauty, and a focus on aerodynamic efficiency. This proposal would strive for a streamlined, unified form, perhaps including flush-mounted windows and discrete access points, in contrast to the frequently clunky appearance of standard RVs. It would definitely stand out because of the recognizable Thor's Hammer LED headlamps, which give it a unique and contemporary appearance. Materials would probably consist of sustainable metals and lightweight composites, demonstrating Volvo's dedication to environmental responsibility. Advanced sensor arrays for safety and autonomous functions would be subtly incorporated into the design rather than showing up as accessories. The term smart penthouse really comes to life once you step inside. The minimalist, roomy, and naturally lit interior would be a monument to Scandinavian design ideas. A calm and welcoming ambience would be produced by using premium, eco-friendly materials like recycled linens, wood veneers that are sourced ethically, and cutting-edge bio-based polymers. In order to optimize comfort and usefulness, the living, dining, and sleeping areas could be dynamically reconfigured thanks to the highly clever and modular layout. There will be multipurpose furniture that could easily transition from seating to sleeping arrangements. In order to connect residents with the surroundings, the penthouse feature would imply higher ceilings and possibly large panoramic windows or even retractable glass parts. A sophisticated, user-friendly interface that controls every aspect of the RV would be at the center of the smart experience. This could take the form of a central touchscreen display that is seamlessly incorporated into the living area and dashboard and offers control over all of the vehicle's functions, including the entertainment system, climate control, and lighting. Gesture recognition and voice-activated controls would improve the user experience even further and make operation simple. With built-in high-speed internet, sophisticated telematics for remote updates and diagnostics, and smooth interaction with individual smart gadgets, connectivity would be crucial. With a wide range of active and passive safety systems to safeguard passengers and other drivers, Volvo's innovative safety features, modified for an RV platform, would surely be a pillar. The 2026 Volvo Smart Penthouse RV would most likely be constructed on a very sophisticated chassis that may be fueled by hydrogen fuel cells or electricity. In keeping with Sweden's proactive environmental position, this would provide a driving experience that is almost silent and emission-free. No matter the road conditions, Volvo's signature pleasant and smooth ride would be ensured with an adaptable air suspension system. On lengthy trips, advanced autonomous driving features, possibly including highway piloting and self-parking, would lessen driver fatigue and make travel incredibly comfortable. The 2026 Volvo Smart Penthouse RV would essentially be more than just a high-end motorhome. It would be a mobile declaration of intelligent living, combining state-of-the-art technology, environmentally friendly materials, unmatched safety, and an elegant, human-centered design to provide an unmatched home-away-from-home experience.